Today we are going to see Unit 8, that is Fundamentals of Anatomy and Physiology and Kinesiology in Sports. Let's see the contents of this lesson. Definition and importance of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology. Functions of skeletal system, classification of bones and types of bone joints. Properties and functions of muscles, functions and structures of respiratory system and circulatory system. Now, see, the study of physiology and anatomy and physiology is very simple. That is, anatomy is the study of structure and physiology is the functions of various organs in our body. Let's see the anatomy. Anatomy is a branch of biology that deals with the study of body structure of organism, which includes then systems and organs and tissues. Now, physiology. Physiology is the branch of biology that deals with the functions and activities of living organism and their parts, including all physical and chemical process. Now, kinesiology is the study of human or non-human movements, performance and functions by applying the science of biochemical, anatomy, physiology and neuroscience. This kinesiology you will be studying in the next chapter, that is 9th chapter. Okay. Now, main systems of human body. You all know, you have been learning since from the right from the childhood about science, human body, etc. Let's see the main functions. What are the function systems of human body? There are 9 systems in our human body, that is skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, glandular system, excretory system and reproductive system. Anyway, we are not going to go in detail the reproductive system. It is not necessary in our physical education. Okay, let's see the importance of anatomy and physiology in a relation of physical education or sports. What are they? These are the parts, like help athletic to better understanding the human body, it is helpful in the prevention from sports injuries, helpful in design of physical fitness program for athletics, it's helpful in the process of rehabilitation, and it's helpful in evaluation of a player capacity and to better sports performance, and it helps to know about individual differences, etc. Now, let's see the skeletal system. You all know what is skeletal system. Functions of skeletal systems are provides support, it provides protection, gives shapes to the body, it is helpful in the movement, provides storage and blood cell productions. These are the functions of skeletal system. Now, classifications of bone: long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone and semi bones. Let's see. Now, the skeletal system, you see, this is the bony framework of our body consisting of numbers of bones. Total bones in our body are 206, as you all know this. Now, let's see types of joints. Immovable joint, slightly movable joint and freely movable joints. Now, joints are divided into 6 categories, like gliding joints, hinge joints, ball and socket, saddle joint, pivot joint and cardiolodic joint. Muscular system. Now, the properties of muscular system are: definition of muscle. What is this? The muscle is a tissue composed of fibers capable to affect bodily movement, or muscles is the body tissues that can contract to produce movements. Now, types of muscles, like voluntary skeleton muscle, involuntary smooth muscle, cardiac muscle. Now, functions of muscles. Muscles give shape and structure to the body. It provides protection to bones and internal organs, helps in fluid movement, provide effect, it brings heart contraction, and lastly it brings active life. Now, structure of muscles. Every muscle fiber made up of very large number of microscopic threads called microfibril. Each microfibril consists of protein muscles called actin and myosin. Structure and functions of respiratory system and circulatory system. Respiratory system. The respiratory system regulates the exchange of gases. Structure of respiratory system involves the following organs in our human body like nose, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, alveoli, diaphragm and lungs. Now types of respiration. External respiration, internal respiration or tissue respiration. Functions of respiratory or system. Structure of heart and introduction of circulatory system. Now see circulatory system. Circulatory system saves the functions of transporting material in the body. It consists of heart and blood vessels like arteries, veins and capillaries. Now heart. The human heart is a hollow cone shaped muscular organ. It is a pumping system inside the body. Structure of heart, functions of heart, arteries. Now classification of arteries. What are they? Like elastic arteries, muscular arteries and arterioles. Okay, now this is the fundamental study of anatomy and physiology. This study of anatomy is very important in the sports to understand the effects of training and athletics. Okay, Sairam.